A major argument broke out in the Madhya Pradesh Assembly during the budget session. Opposition leader Umang Singhar accused the government of planning to give nearly 1 lakh crore rupees to Adani for electricity purchase over 25 years. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya asked for proof. As the debate grew louder, Vijayvargiya told Singhar to stay within limits. This remark created chaos in the House. Members shouted slogans and protested strongly. The discussion turned into a political fight and the session witnesses heavy uproar between ruling and opposition leader over the allegations. Outside the assembly, women Congress workers protested outside the state budget. The protest was led by Reena Borasi. Women broke bangles and burned an effigy of Finance Minister Jagdish Devra. They said the budget has increased inflation and hurt common people. In a unique protest, they brought a scooter on a handcart to show rising petrol prices. Reena Borasi questioned how the budget can be called good when LPG and petrol prices remain high. Women shouted slogans and beat plates to show anger. The protest created strong political tension outside the assembly building. The fourth day of the budget session saw uproar over death caused by contaminated water in Indore's Bhagirathpura area. Opposition leader Umang Singhar demanded resignation of Ministers Kailash Vijayvargiya and Rajendra Shukla. He said action should be taken on moral grounds as people have been dying since December 21st. Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar said the matter is in court and discussing it may cause contempt of court. Panchayat Minister Prahlad Patel suggested a separate meeting instead of House debate. Former Speaker Sita Sharan Sharma also said discussion is not proper while the case is pending in court. Bageshwar Dham Chief Dhirendra Krishna Shastri said Hindu girls should become like goddess Kali and Durga, not wear burqa. His statement created controversy. BJP MLA Rameshwar Sharma supported him. Sharma said Hindu daughters must be protected from so-called love jihad. He claimed some people try to trap Hindu girls by pretending to follow Hindu traditions. The remarks have started political debate across the state. Opposition parties criticized the statement and called it divisive. The issue has now become a fresh topic of discussion in Madhya Pradesh politics. A shocking incident happened in Bhopal's Ayodhya Nagar area. A man attacked two women with a sword. One woman suffered a deep stomach injury and another had serious cut on her hand. Her vein was badly damaged. The entire incident was captured on CCTV. Reports say local residents had complained about stray dogs. The municipal corporation removed the dogs. Later, some dogs lovers reportedly brought them back. The attack happened after this dispute. Police have started investigation and are checking CCTV footage. The injured women are receiving treatment in hospital. At Shri Mahakaleshwar Temple, devotees will now have to pay for evening and night Aarti darshan. Like Bhasma Aarti, online booking has started for Sandhya Aarti and Shayan Aarti. Devotees must pay Rs 250 per person for each Aarti. Those who do not pay can take normal moving darshan. The temple committee said the decision was taken due to heavy crowd during these rituals. The new system started on Thursday. Many devotees visit the famous temple daily, especially during religious period. The move aims to manage crowd better. At Maharaja Yashwantrao Hospital in Indore, a cat was found roaming inside the HIV patient unit and medicine room. The cat even gave birth in the OPD area. This raised serious safety concerns. 6 months ago, 2 newborn babies died after rats allegedly bit them in the hospital. Now the presence of a cat near the ART center has again exposed negligence. Hospital authorities are facing criticism over poor hygiene and safety management. Officials said action will be taken. The incident has shocked patients and families visiting the hospital. Weather has changed again in Madhya Pradesh. Many districts are seeing cloudy sky and light rains. The meteorological department has issued a cool wave alert in some northern areas. Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur may receive light showers in the next 2 days. Night temperatures have dropped, making mornings colder. Farmers are advised to protect crop from sudden weather changes. Strong winds are also expected in some regions. Officials say the change is due to a western disturbance People are advised to stay warm and follow weather updates regularly.